Hi, today I'm running REALME Narzo 50 Pro and I'll show you how to turn off this device. So just to do that, we should press the power key button for a few seconds. Now we can see here that by pressing and hold the power button and volume up button, we can activate the power off menu. Because with the press and hold to the power key, we can use the Google Assistant, and if you want to turn off Google Assistant by press and hold to the power key and use only the power button to turn on or turn off your device, you should open the settings and then scroll down to the additional settings. Then click the power button, click to press and hold the power key and switch voice assistant to power menu. Now just press and hold the power key and we can see that here the power off menu. So just to turn off our device, we should slide to the down this white dot to power off icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.